Okie dokie, ladies and gentlemen. We're out here today. Nice brisk, I don't know, maybe 18 degrees with about a 20-mile-an-hour wind, which brings it down to a pleasant 12 maybe. I don't know, it's cold. Anyway, we're almost around to the other gable with the siding. And Tyler and Alec have done the garage jam. Here was old rotten, all new PVC fascia and soffit. The old, as you can see up there, the blue was all old rotten wood. Had to remove all of that and put new 3/4 inch PVC. New Anderson windows all the way around. New light fixture. And we've been putting PVC trim as well around the windows. All we have left really is this corner here, which is the gable end, and you can see they're working their way on over here. I think, I don't know, I mean, I'd like to put a new front porch on there with maybe a roof over it or something, but maybe in the spring or something. Anyway, and then the back is where they had a bunch of wood rot, termites, and it was bad. It was really, really bad. But we had we put a new roof on the low pitch, removed like 4 or 5 layers that was up there, and new plywood, ice and water shield, and a 30-year arc shingle, and then new windows, new Anderson door, sliding door with the blinds, in the door. Really nice product. It's a quality product, the Anderson. Then we put another new door and lock set, and yeah, it's really coming along. Unfortunately, it's just been really cold, man. But homeowner seems to be quite happy, which is always nice. And yeah, oh, and we built this little storage room in here, which at one point this was all open. There was no walls here. It was just like a roof that was collapsing. So we, as you can see, framed a new roof. And this is like Bilco door going down to the basement. We're actually going to put, I have some temporarily wired a new outlet out here. And there's going to be siding in here. She wants to run some siding in here. And yeah. Key to like lock set for the this door and the other one that goes into the garage door with the spray foam. I mean, this area is not heated, but you know, it's nice. And yeah, should be good. I'll give you another update tomorrow.